Danny Seo, the weather outside just keeps getting
Frightful.
worse. Good thing we're inside.
I know, and I'm a walker, so.
Okay, I'll give you an umbrella.
It's okay.
All right. Thank you for staying with us here on New York Living. All hour, I have been joined by the incomparable eco-accidental lifestyle expert, Danny Seo. I know you for your book, your recipes, your this, your that, and apparently this. Did you know that by doing just one thing, you could positively impact the environment? Mm-hmm. I only know that because you told me that a gazillion years ago.
We've done a million segments together.
Environmentalist, lifestyle guru, and publisher of Naturally. Danny Seo has been with me all day. I can't have you here and not put you to work.
Right.
Right?
Right.
It's part of your rider.
But
Must be put to work. Talk to me about just one thing.
Okay, so do just one thing. People get really overwhelmed about, like, how can I help the environment?
Yeah.
Also, helping the environment saves you money, too. Don't
you.
forget that. So doing the right thing can be economical and ecological. And we're going to start over here. I mean, because when I put these out, people, people on the crew here were like, do you want us to get some real plates for you? And I go, no, I picked these for a reason. So here. It's the summer season, right?
Yes.
We're all barbecuing, we're going on picnics.
Right.
And obviously the greenest thing is to bring your own reusable plates.
Yes.
But like, is it the most practical?
No.
And then you're stuck with like smelly, sticky plates.
Oh,
You gotta
gosh,
haul
and then
the
you have
stuff.
ants, maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
Gross. So do the next best thing. Get the least expensive looking paper plates that they sell.
Okay.
That means ones that aren't coated, they don't have all those patterns, they're not super thick. These are just the cheap white plates because these are ones that can be composted, they're more easily biodegradable, and you get a giant stack of 100 for like nothing.
For nothing.
For nothing. So that's a great way of saving money and being second kindest for the planet.
This is second to when I said, but Danny, I like my fizzy water, and you said, are you buying the bottles or the cans? And I said bottles, and you said no, buy the cans because
aluminum is infinitely recyclable.
And as are these.
She's learning.
Okay, the next thing you've just grabbed a knife. What's happening?
Okay, aloe.
Okay.
So the most hardest working houseplant to grow, that's easy to grow, is aloe. Okay. So you want to get an aloe plant because it absorbs chemicals like formaldehyde out of the air.
I didn't know that.
It doesn't take any green thumb to grow it.
I've tried to kill my aloe. It won't. We are stuck together.
It keeps growing and growing.
Yeah.
But did you know you can grow your own aloe?
I did not.
So I got this from the supermarket. It's very inexpensive to get a giant aloe like this. You just cut the end. Cut the tip like this, and then you want to let the end part actually scab over. Do you see that? How now?
You see this little goo? Okay.
You want to just leave it out, let it scab over, and once it scabs over, and it's going to look like this, like what you have here.
Okay.
You just stick it in soil, and it's going to grow.
No.
Yes, that's it.
So it'll get roots?
It's going to grow, it's going to get roots, it's going to multiply, and then you have a free aloe plant.
So you cut it until it looks like this, and then once it looks like
a couple of days, let it scab over.
Just stick it in some soil.
Yeah.
And that's it?
And then you have a houseplant that'll multiply and grow with very little care and maintenance, and it's going to purify the air because it's the hardest working houseplant you can choose from.
I'm telling you, you are aces.
This was only $2 for a big one.
Unbelievable.
And you can make things with aloe. Did you know that?
I did. I'm not good at making them, but I know that one can make things with aloe. What's going on here?
Okay, you want to talk about the pitcher?
Yes.
So we all have these pitchers, but you have to clean them. And a lot of us, you'll take the whole thing apart.
Yes.
And then you'll scrub the inside.
Yes.
Okay, this is horrible because you're creating micro tears.
I know, it's gross. And then that leaches into the business.
And then bacteria grows into those little cracks and crevices. So what you want to do is actually just use soap and water and the softest possible sponge side to clean, if even that.
Really?
Swirl it around, and that's how you keep your reusable water pitcher clean. You don't want
the soft side.
You don't want any like tears.
Or just fill it with water and a little bit of soap and.
But you need a little bit of a, like a, what's it called? Abrasion.
Okay.
So you can put ice cubes in there and shake it like a martini.
Oh, even better.
You know.
Okay.
Cocktails.
Or do a filter under your sink.
Yes, but that can be expensive.
Yes,
so a lot of us just have this. So if that's what you're doing, that's the best thing you should do.
Fine. My sister has a filter and one of these because she wants to be. She's extra. Okay. Now, tea bags.
Tea bags. So I know you're into gardening, right? So what you can do after you're done brewing your tea, just rip them open. And this is actually one of the most beneficial things you can give your garden or your houseplant is to mix in used tea as a fertilizer, as something to really give an extra boost of nutrition.
Once it's already been used.
Yeah, once it's used, take the wet grinds or the wet tea and mix it in with your houseplants or your garden. And this is the best thing you can do. Don't throw it in as is because this is still some plastic in the bag.
Got it.
So just rip it open and look at that.
You are a font of useful knowledge.
And then one more, right?
You brought me a bouquet of fake roses. Thank you.
So a lot of us have fake houseplants. They look really good right now, and they kind of, well, but the reality is a lot of them are made with lead and other chemicals, plus they can also harbor a lot of dust that holds microplastics in them. So if you're gonna get plants, just get the real deal.
Just get the real thing.
We talked about aloe.
Hello. You gave us you gave us one simple thing. Get aloe. And she's hardy.
And if they die, it's okay. Get a new one.
Get a new one.
Yeah, no fake stuff, okay?
Get a new one, and then when you're drinking your tea.
No fake stuff.
You get the fake stuff out of here. Danny, thank you so much.
This is fun.
By the way, the outfit he is wearing here, he is wearing on the cover of Naturally at newsstands everywhere.
Please buy it so I can buy a new outfit.
Please, please. Okay. Well, this is shorts. You were wearing pants.
Have you done reusing?
Buy it. He needs a new outfit. Okay.
It's actually the same polo too.
Oh my God.